7.5 lakh students go out from India every year to study. As a country जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं यूथ इज आवर पावर, आप यूथ की एजुकेशन लिटरली इंपोर्ट कर रहे हो। $20 बिलियन दे के हर साल आप एजुकेशन इंपोर्ट कर रहे हो कंट्री में। ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ फेलियर।
ASER की रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से 83% एजुकेटेड इंडियंस एम्प्लॉयबल ही नहीं है। और ये जो सुंदर पिचाई सत्या नडेला की हम बात करते थे, इन्होंने भी आगे चल के अपनी एजुकेशन बाहर से ही करी।
Why do you not like IIM so much?
I just think that they are not prepared for today's business environment.
Now, youngsters with PhDs and MBA degrees are applying for post of peons at a university in Rajasthan.
I know ये लास्ट वाली न्यूज़ थोड़ी एक्सट्रीम थी, but this is the reality. And it's good enough to give us an idea about India's employability rate. अब अगर employment की बात चली रही है, तो salary comparison भी देख लेते हैं.
How much do you make? In our role, kind of range 200,000 to 300,000.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a product manager at a wireless company.
So if I may guess, are you making $150,000?
More than that.
Above 200?
Somewhere between 2 and 3.
What do you think is the average salary of an Indian man?
30 to 80,000.
Maybe 30,000 per month.
20,000? 30 to 40,000.
Yeah, the right answer is 35,000.
Now, can you guess what is the average starting salary of an MBA grad in India? Well, it is around 20 to 30 lakhs per annum. अब तुम बोलोगे भाई ये तो बहुत सही है, but the pain point is only top B schools in India like IIM, FMS, ISB or SP Jain offer such lucrative salaries. And if we talk about the average salary of other B schools in India, it is around 7 to 8 lakh per annum. यही अगर abroad की बात करें तो there are more than 100 of top B schools जहाँ से graduation करने के बाद you can easily make over 1 crore. अब आप सोच रहे होगे 1 करोड़ बोल तो दिया, but in top B schools का acceptance rate तो बहुत कम है। चलो वो भी कंपेयर कर लेते हैं। If we talk about top B schools abroad like Columbia, INSEAD, London Business School etc. तो इनका acceptance rate है around 7% to 8%। और यही इंडियन टॉप बी स्कूल्स की बात करें तो टॉप बी स्कूल्स लाइक IIM, FMS, ISB और SP Jain तो भाई इनका एक्सेप्टेंस रेट तो 0.5% से भी कम है। दिस इज मोर देन इनफ एक अंदाजा लगाने के लिए कि किसका एडमिशन प्रोसेस ज्यादा कंपेटिटिव है। बट अब क्या कोई ये बताएगा कि फॉरेन टॉप स्कूल्स में एंटर कैसे करना है? डोंट वरी, मैं बताऊंगा। At MIMSA, we help students interested in doing MBA or any business majors abroad. Click the link in the description box to book a free 20-minute strategy session with our experts. He'll analyze your profile and help you choosing the right schools, crafting standout essays, SOPs, and offer personalized advice on schools, GMAT prep and scholarships. अब salary comparison और college acceptance rate के बारे में तो समझ लिया, but what about the cost of living? You must be thinking, इंडिया की तो कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग बहुत कम होगी। I totally agree with you. If you are studying in India, then as a student, 25,000 to 30,000 are more than enough for you. However, the cost of living abroad is a bit on the higher side. You need around 70,000 to 80,000 and maybe slightly more than that depending upon your living style. Still, जब salary potentially इतना high हो, तो ये amount manageable है. Also, after considering the cost of living and PPP, you'll end up saving 6 to 8 times more abroad than in India. Now, let's compare the list of top B schools in abroad versus India. If you are really keen about doing an MBA from abroad, then these schools are best fit for you. Here's the list of top B schools for an MBA in India. Lastly, we are going to see the career prospects after doing an MBA from abroad versus India. See, अगर foreign exposure चाहिए, global companies like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Google और Meta इन सब में काम करना है तो MBA abroad is the best choice for you. And this is the reason global leaders like Sundar Pichai, Shantanu Narayana, Indra Nooyi and Satya Nadella opted to study from abroad. और आज वो लोग किस स्टेटस पे हैं ये तो हम सबको पता ही है. And if we talk about the career prospects after doing an MBA from India, then it's fair to say that students pursuing studies in top B schools only are eligible to enter into big markets. But प्रॉब्लम वही है, एक तो टॉप बी स्कूल्स लिमिटेड है, ऊपर से एक्सेप्टेंस रेट बहुत ही ज्यादा लो है। सो इन कंक्लूजन, अगर आपको टॉप बी स्कूल से पढ़ाई करनी है, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन और ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर चाहिए, टॉप कंपनीज में काम करना है या फिर अमेजिंग स्टार्टिंग सैलरीज चाहिए, तो MBA abroad is more suitable for you. Now, if you're planning to study abroad at top B schools, then don't forget to check our free AI-based profile evaluation tool. It'll assess your strengths, weaknesses, and suggest you schools to improve your chances. The link is in the description box below. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MIMSA for more such content.